Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm going to do a review on the dates syrup. I tried it out and I will give you my opinion about this one. But before that, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Here we have the date syrup from 7. It's a company based in Netherlands. I have tested this one for a couple of days now, and I can say I love this one. But I'm gonna open this so you can see what color it is. It has a beautiful color. It has a wonderful smell. Nice and smooth. Nothing complicated. And this syrup is really black, as it should be. Yeah, this syrup has a very distinct flavor to it. A very strong flavor of dates, which it should be. And this syrup you can use as a syrup and is honey, a replacement for honey if you prefer that. But all I can say, this syrup I highly recommend. If you guys can get your hands of a date syrup from the company 7, I suggest you go and buy one and try it out for yourself. And the flavors basically explode in your mouth. And it is very delicious. And basically I could eat the whole jar by now, but that would probably not be a good idea. That's all for today's video, guys. And thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Take care. Stay safe. God bless. And don't forget, stay vigilant. ShadowScoutSwede out.